Good morning, students. I'm Pooja Malik, your science teacher from Springfields Public School. Students, today we'll be discussing about human ear, and it's very interesting to learn about your own body part. Students, this outer ear, outer structure which we see or which we can touch, and we call it ear. No, it's not a ear. Ear is a very complex organ, and it's embedded deep inside our skull. This is just one portion of the ear, outer portion, which can be seen or touched by us. This is called pinna, and the role of pinna is to collect all the as much sound waves as possible. As I've discussed with you in my last class, how sound waves are produced whenever some object vibrates. जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, तो मैं जब बोल रही हूँ तो मेरे आसपास के जो नेबरिंग एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो वाइब्रेट करेंगे, एंड देन दोज वाइब्रेशंस विल बी पास टू द अनदर नेबरिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स बाय देम. फिर वो जो मॉलिक्यूल्स वाइब्रेट करेंगे, they will pass the vibrations to the other neighboring molecules, and this way the sound will travel from the object to the recipient. ठीक है, इस तरह से साउंड ट्रेवल करती है. तो ये जो पिना है, हमारा जो ईयर का पिना है, ये आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज इट्स जॉब इज़ टू कलेक्ट द साउंड एज मच साउंड वेव्स एज पॉसिबल. अब ये साउंड वेव्स को कलेक्ट करता है, एंड देन इट सेंड्स द साउंड वेव्स टू द ऑडिटरी कैनाल. So these sound waves are sent to, or they are channelized to the auditory canal. अब ऑडिटरी कैनाल से पास होकर ये साउंड वेव्स जो हैं दे इवेंचुअली मीट द ईयर ड्रम. ये ग्रीन कलर का स्ट्रक्चर आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज़ ईयर ड्रम, कान का पर्दा बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में हम लोग. सो दिस ईयर ड्रम, दिस इज़ वेरी डेलिकेट ऑर्गन. So these sound waves, they meet the eardrum, and when they strike on the eardrum is very delicate organ. As I've told you, it's a transparent membrane. जैसे ढोलक देखी है आपने, तबला देखा आपने, तो उनके ऊपर एक स्ट्रेच्ड मेम्ब्रेन होती है. उस मेम्ब्रेन को जब हम स्ट्राइक करते हैं, then it produces sound. So similarly, when air molecules strike the eardrum, तो ईयर ड्रम स्टार्ट्स वाइब्रेटिंग because it's a very thin delicate membrane. So when these sound waves strike the eardrum, it starts vibrating. तो ये हमारा आउटर ईयर है. ये तीन चीज़ें आउटर ईयर को कंपोज करती हैं: पिना, ऑडिटरी कैनाल एंड ईयर ड्रम. सो नाउ ईयर ड्रम विल स्टार्ट वाइब्रेटिंग, and these vibrations will be passed to the middle ear. ये जो ऑरेंज स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, दिस इज़ द मिडल ईयर. सो sensitive this eardrum, it start vibrating, and it sends the vibrations to the eardrum. So when the air vibrates, even the eardrum starts vibrating, and these vibrations are as I've told you, that eardrum is just like the skin of a drum. So as you can see, the eardrum also separates the outer ear. outer ear यहाँ ख़त्म हो जाता है. So now this eardrum starts vibrating, and these vibrations are transferred to the middle ear. ये जो orange structure है, this is the middle ear. So middle ear consists of 3 small bones. 3 tiny bones का बना हुआ होता है बच्चे ये middle ear, and these tiny bones are together, they are called as ossicles. They are together called ossicles. So now their main job is to increase or amplify the pressure. जो साउंड वेव्स आकर टकराई हैं ईयर ड्रम से, उनका प्रेशर बहुत लो है. So the main job of ossicles, or the tiny bones present in the middle ear, is to amplify the pressure of the sound waves when it reaches the inner ear. तो जब inner ear तक ये sound waves पहुँचेंगी, इनका प्रेशर इंक्रीज़ हो चुका होगा या एम्पलीफाई हो चुका होगा. ठीक है, अब ये एम्पलीफाइड साउंड जो है, इट रीचेज द inner ear. Inner ear consists of the bony structure, as you can see. the top part of this structure. This is a bony structure and it consists of 3 semicircular rings. अब ये जो सेमी सर्कुलर रिंग्स हैं दे हेल्प अस इन मेंटेनिंग आवर बैलेंस व्हेन वी आर वॉकिंग और वी आर डांसिंग और वॉट एवर वी डू. सो देयर रोल इज़ नॉट इन हेयरिंग. वो सुनने के लिए कोई काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये जो 3 रिंग्स हैं देयर मेन रोल इज़ टू बैलेंस. सो इनका कोई काम नहीं है सुनने में. दे आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन हेयरिंग. बट यू कैन सी दिस स्नेल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ये गोल गोल कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर देख सकते हो, स्नेल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज द कॉइल्ड ऑर्गन एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉक्लिया. This is called cochlea, right? So this cochlea, what does it do? Cochlea, this cochlea, as there are some specialized cells in the cochlea, and these specialized cells in the cochlea, they convert these vibrations into electrical signals, and then these electrical signals are passed to our brain. So let us see. These electrical signals are passed through the brain through auditory nerve. ये आप देख सकते हो कोक्लिया के पास से ये नर्व निकल कर जा रही है. दिस इज ऑडिटरी नर्व. दिस इज ऑडिटरी नर्व. देख सकते हो ये नर्व, auditory nerve. So this auditory nerve carries these amplified signals to the brain, and that is how we are able to hear the sounds around us. So let us summarize. The outer ear collects the sound waves through the pinna and directs them to the ear drum. Ear drum से आकर टकराती है ये. And the 3 ossicle bones of the middle ear amplify the sound waves and transferring it to the cochlea. Now cochlea converts the back and forth vibrations of the particles into electrical signals and sends it to our brain through the auditory nerve. So this is how we are able to hear. I think the mechanism is quite clear to you, and you would be very surprised to know about this complex organ, ear, which is very very simple structure as we see it from outside. But from today you know that this outer structure which we see is just called pinna, and it is one part of the ear, complex structure ear, and its role is very simple, just to collect as much sound waves as possible. And a lot of mechanism is involved inside our skull, from sending these sound waves through auditory canal to striking eardrum. From eardrum they are passed to the middle ear. Middle ear amplifies those sound waves, and then those amplified sound waves are passed to the inner ear. Inner ear converts those signals into the electrical signals, and through the auditory nerve they are sent to our brain, and then we are able to hear that sound. So it is very very complex complex organ of our body. So you have learnt about it now. That's all with it. So students, just read it thoroughly in your chapter and try to understand the mechanism behind it, so that from today you can understand your body organ, that is ear, very clearly. So read page number 170 thoroughly, and if you have any doubt regarding any part of this structure, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my private number. Thank you very much. That's all for today, and in my next lecture I'll be covering the next portion of the chapter. Thank you very much.